Hey everyone! I'm so glad to be back with a Hello Bluebird video. This slimline card features two new products, my snowman stem set and the tall tree scene die, and I started with this new gorgeous die. I cut my background elements out of Strathmore Bristol cardstock and started by inking the top of the hills as well as the edges of the trees using Tumble Glass Distress ink. Even if my scene is a winter scene, I didn't want to leave those pieces plain white, so adding a touch of light blue brings more interest. To give more texture to those trees and borders, I added drops of tumble glass and broken china as well. And finally, and because it's a winter scene, I added liquid stardust to the elements to give those pieces kind of a frosty look. Next, I created the sky on an 8.5 by 3.5 inches Strathmore Bristol panel, and the inks I used are tumble glass, broken china, and faded jeans. Once I was happy with the background, I stamped and cut my images from my snowman and colored them using my alcohol markers as always in shades of blue and grey to match my background. When the coloring was done, I started by assembling the background elements. I used the tall tree scene die a second time to cut the elements out of white cardstock, and I glued my blue frosty trees on those white trees to get dimension. And I did the same thing with the two small borders. Next, I temporarily taped the frame on my panel in order to place and glue the trees and borders on the right spot. So I glued the trees and borders, and I attached the white frame to get dimension, just like before with the trees and borders. Off screen, I colored my second frame using chipped sapphire distress ink and attached it on the white frame. This blue frame adds contrast with the white and light blue background and also coordinates with the images. Next, I attached my cute images using foam squares. For my sentiment, I stamped the word snow using tumble glass oxide ink and the words let and it using faded jeans oxide ink. I cut those words using the coordinating dies and stuck them above the images using foam squares again. And that's it, a super cute frosty wintry scene that I hope you like. Thank you so much for watching, see you soon, bye!